State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Judge. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone. Thank you.
All right. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Like I said, what I'm going to do is I got everybody's name down. If I don't address you, I'm addressing you now, saying good morning. I have your name down. I'm going to try to get you in, try to get you out in the order that you came in, if at all possible. And try to do it as fast as efficiently as possibly can. All right. So let's start with City of Detroit versus Daryl Lacey. Daryl D. Lacey. Case number SP 1472139, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. Daryl Lacey Jr.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lacey, well, this is an allowing. The offer is going to be the standard offer for this. Pleading to the allowing $240 fine and dismissing the other two matters. The allowing will be.
Sir, I can't.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna give you an opportunity. All right.
Okay.
This will be like anybody that has this. Well, I have to go through the same thing with everybody. The allowing is going to be dismissed upon payment. That's a misdemeanor, but it doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it doesn't carry any point. And that misdemeanor will be dismissed upon payment. You have an absolute right to a trial. You're saying that, I don't know if you're saying that you have a valid license or not, but I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry can go over everything I just told you, and you can explain to him the situation and have a private conversation. Okay?
Okay.
Move right to a trial. All right. Mr. Berry. Lacey. Join the room, please.
Yes, sir.
Is that Nathan LeBlanc? David?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Nathan David LeBlanc, case number SP 1439673, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. LeBlanc. Sir, could you please state your name?
Nathan LeBlanc.
Mr. LeBlanc, there's a date and time set for a free trial. You have a valid license, registration, valid license and insurance, sir?
Yes.
Run Mr. LeBlanc's license, please. Let's see the insurance.
It's actually
No.
okay. It's in the truck.
1 second.
All right, you're gonna have to be quiet. Let's see the insurance, Mr. LeBlanc, please.
She's going to get it out the truck. I got my driver's license though right now.
All right, I'm gonna run the license. I'm checking that on the system. Let's pass the matter. Let's go to Mr. Diller. Mr. Diller, good morning to you. All right, Ms. Miller, good morning to you. Who's your client?
I am here on Mr. Kashawn Gray, Your Honor.
Is he here?
I do not see him.
Have you spoken with him?
I have tried to get a hold of him, Your Honor. I will keep trying again this morning. I tried yesterday.
Well, have you ever spoken with him?
I believe so.
All right.
Oh, yes,
All
I
right.
have, because I confirmed his phone number.
All right, I'll let you try to get a hold of him.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
In the meantime, can we get Mr. LeBlanc's license?
I'm getting it. It's just taking me a little minute. I gotta pull up I gotta get his driver's license.
You were saying, Ms. Grady, you said you don't have the car anymore. Is that what you said? Let's see what you have, the insurance paperwork, sir?
Yes, I do.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. LeBlanc. Let's see the insurance paperwork, please.
Do you see it?
All right, I'm gonna offer you a defective lights, and we'll offer you a defective equipment. That defective light, and we'll dismiss the other two matters. That's a $120 fine. It doesn't abstract, it doesn't carry any points. It's more like an expensive parking ticket. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Counsel stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
We'll stipulate.
I'm going to congratulate you on getting the documentation as well, getting valid license.
Thank you.
All right. 100 and stipulate to the face, that stipulation will find you responsible for the defective equipment, $120, dismiss the other two matters. When can you pay it, sir?
Can you give me 2 weeks? Because I got to pay my rent this check, and then the next check I can pay it. The 28th.
11/20, is that a good day for you?
Yes.
All right, 11/20/2023, pay it. Stipulate to the probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters, Mrs. Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pay it. Have a great day, sir. With that, I'm going to dismiss the cases and find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too.
What about Gilmore?
Thank you.
Yes, did not print it out.
I got a block again.
Yeah.
Can I give you a
No,
number?
Rob,
Or did I
just tear
take
that
out
out.
50?
And then you can put this in this Lockhurst files. Gilmore, you there?
Yes. Yeah.
What's your middle name, sir?
Antoine.
City of Detroit. Versus Lamont Antoine Gilmer. Case number is SP 1210735. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1249221. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1249225. Counts 1, counts 2. SP 1298970. Counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Lamont Antoine Gilmore, case number SX 413-38351. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gilmore.
Mr. Gilmore, state your name for the record, please.
Lamont Antoine Gilmore.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, we would waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This matter is going to be a trial matter here with the false proof of insurance allegation. I was seeing if there's something that's preventing him from getting a license, and I just don't see that. Not down here at the 36th District Court, at least. So, Mr. Gilmore, because of the nature of the allegation, the city's going to want to have the officer here to see that officer's version of what they allege you did. And we'll set the matter for trial. The soonest date I have is February 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. You understand what's going on, sir?
No.
So do you have a false insurance allegation? And what they want is they want to speak with the officer before they give you an offer. The city attorney wants to speak with the officer before they give you an offer. I was looking to see in the system if there's anything that's preventing you from getting a driver's license from now until February, and I don't see so. So I would suggest you go try to get a valid license and come back with a license and registration and insurance. That'll probably help your case out a lot. But as far as getting an offer today, they're not going to want to extend that offer until they talk to the city attorney, all right?
Okay.
Until they talk to the officer.
Okay.
All right. February 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. is the next court date. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lacy. Mr. Lacy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do? Mr. Berry?
Apologize. We seek a bench trial date in this matter.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Lacy?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on back on the same day, February 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. You got everything? You understand the deal? You understand everything that's going on today, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Lydell Oni, case number 1426949, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1426901, SP 1429528. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oni.
Is Mr. Oni there still? Oh, he's got to unmute himself.
And Your Honor, while he
Lyd-
does,
Lydell Deshaun Oni.
Hold on a second, Mr. Oni. Go ahead, Ms. Williams Law.
no, we can do it after. I was just trying to, while he was doing that trial date, Mr. Lacy had the last days.
The last trial dates were February 26, 2023, 9 a.m. Mr. Oni, you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Lydell Deshaun Oni.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Mr. Oni, did you take a driving course?
I do not, Judge.
You want to take one to help mitigate this 4-point offense, 16 to 20 over is 4 points. Imagine you get something reduced today for that. Do you have valid insurance? Do you have valid insurance and registration?
I have valid insurance. I have valid driver's license and registration.
You probably don't have valid driver's license now.
Oh yeah, I probably don't. I'm sorry.
I didn't ask you about the driver's license, though. I asked you, you have valid insurance and registration.
I have valid insurance. Valid registration. I think my insurance has just lapsed.
So what I'll do is I'll allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front, or we can get you an offer today. And one will be an improper plate, I know, $240 fine. And the other will be some sort of reduction in the speeding. I don't know how far the city will go down, but they will go down some today. But the driving course will help you. Now, what you can do to help yourself, you can take the better driver's class. You can come in, pay that reinstatement fee up front, $45. Bring a valid driver's license and, let me strike that, bring valid insurance and registration, and then take that driver's class, and it probably puts you in a better position. What do you want to do, sir? Or you can speak with the lawyer, and you have an absolute right to the trial.
What'd you say? I got 30 days to pay that?
I didn't say anything like that.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry.
All right. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Who's on this case?
I am, Your Honor.
You heard everything I said, Mr. Gary?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, better drive. Put the better driver's course in the chat along with my email address. Take a screenshot of that if you choose to take that, Mr. Oni. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna explain things to you, all right?
Yes, sir.
You let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Francesca Owen.
Your Honor, may I interject just very briefly?
Yes.
I did get a hold of Mr. Gray. He indicated he had to step out of work. That's why he was delayed this morning, and he should be in the waiting room. Just wanted to make the court aware.
Bring them in. Let's do it. See what they are. Yeah. I got Mr. Livingston already. The other two. City of Detroit versus Keyshawn Gray, Keyshawn Terrell Gray. Case number SD 1466359. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Keyshawn Gray, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Gray, if you could just start your video, please, and state your name for the record.
Hi, Sean Gray.
Hi, Sean Gray. I'm sorry. All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today, what would be today, the date and time set for a pre-trial? You just got on this case, Counselor?
I've been on this case for approximately a month, Your Honor, and I apologize. I do remember Mr. Gray's case very, very well. There has not been any resolution between the prosecutor and I, and after reviewing discovery, we would request a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gray? Mr. Gray?
Yes, that's what I want to do.
All right, February 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. is date and time for the bench trial, all right?
Okay, I'm sorry, could I just get that date one more time? February 26th, Your Honor?
Yeah, February 26th.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. And Mr. Gray, I'll send you a message explaining everything.
Great day, very best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
All right, Francesca Owens. Is Francesca Owens here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Francesca Owens, case number SP 11226353, SP 1457757, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 145776661. Here for the record, please.
Francesca Owens.
And good morning, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Miss Francesca Owens.
Right. Good morning to you, Ms. Owens. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid insurance and license and registration?
At the moment, Your Honor, I'm going through for the license. I had to join a class for the road to restoration, and that class is November the 16th. They said I have to bring a copy of my driving record, and they're going to give me the necessary steps to clear the Dearborn ticket and to get my license.
You want to come back in 30 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pre-trial 12/7/2023 at 9 a.m. All right. Good luck to you on that license. All right.
That's 12. What again, Your Honor? You broke up.
December 7th, 2023 at 8:30. I'm sorry, 8:30.
8:30, December 27th. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Are we ready on Oni?
No, I've not had an opportunity to speak with him as yet, Your Honor.
Mr. Oni, join that room. Mr. Berry had a little technical difficulty.
You said
that's December 7th, yes.
She said 27th, but we. Okay.
I thought I said the 7th, but I hope she got it as the 7th.
She said 27th, but she'll figure that that's not true.
Very well. Jonah Granger. Not here.
I haven't received the link to the room.
You got the link already. Let me try to put you in another room. Maybe it'll repopulate it. You got it now? All right.
Still can't get to Mr. Oni.
He's in there. He's in there.
Yeah, but I don't have a way to get.
You don't have what?
I don't have a means to get there.
You're in room 3. Let me put you back in 2. You see it now?
No, Your Honor.
Must be something wrong with your device.
I'm working it.
You have it now?
No, Your Honor, I do not. Okay, at least I have visual. But I don't have the room available.
All right. I think that's something on your end, Mr. Bear.
Okay, I'll work it.
Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. Good morning to you. Have valid license, registration, and insurance.
That's the insurance and registration. but the license is suspended and I'm working on getting it.
Oh, man.
Mr. Lipscomb,
Yes.
good morning to you. Valid insurance? City of Detroit versus Tesoro Dwayne Green. You there?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
I don't
Can you
see
hear-
you.
1 second. Sorry about that.
Sorry. Good morning to you. Let's see here. Case numbers, SP 124-5012, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 131-94451, SP 133-75221 and 2, count 1 and 2. SP 1420116, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Tesoro Green. Please state your name, Mr. Green.
Yes, it's Tesoro Dwayne Green.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, we would waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute.
In our non-guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Green, you have valid license, registration, insurance.
Yes, I do for the vehicle I drive now.
Run his driver's license, please.
What's his name again, Jim?
Tesoro Green. Let's see some insurance, sir. I don't need to see that. I'm gonna run that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let's see the insurance paperwork you say, hold still, please. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. What about the registration?
I'm sorry. Registration right here.
Satisfied with that? And the driver's license is valid. Is this, which address is good for you?
16586 Sorrento.
All right, let's change that in the system. Okay, his offer. Two counts of defective equipment, $120 a piece, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points, civil infraction. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. Dismiss the rest of the cases. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. What would you like to do?
So for the defective parts, that ticket is for which ticket in 2022? Or is that from January?
You got a defective equipment, improper display of play, 2023. You have these other tickets go back to defective mirror, 2021.
So for those tickets, I paid for a certain amount of tickets, and here, let me see here. 1 second. I have it pulled up. Can you still see my video? So of January 3rd, I paid an overdue payment for like 807 for a certain amount of tickets, but these weren't never included in that amount. And then like after I went and applied for my driver's license and stuff like that, it it like just popped back up for some reason. And they never like included in that amount. You know what I'm saying? So like when I went and got my license, this still came up, and then like I never really knew about it. And like for all the other tickets I did like receive like the little it's like a square little it's like a basically like an invitation or something telling you like a court date or whatnot. And I never like received them, but for like all the other tickets, they were like never included in the recent tickets that I paid. So I'm not asking to dismiss them, but if you can, I would like to ask if you can dismiss them. And
Well, you just said one statement, you're not asking for them to be dismissed. In the very next sentence,
no,
you
I'm
said,
not.
if
No,
I
I'm sorry.
can, I'm going to ask them to dismiss. I don't know. Listen, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tickets. I got 7 of them dismissed, and 2 of them I'm giving you offer to pay just I don't see where you paid that amount of money. I'm not saying that you didn't, but I don't see where
Okay.
you paid that amount of money. I didn't go through all your tickets, but
Yeah,
2
so
of
like
them
the date of January 3rd, I paid like $807 and probably a little more. I actually paid like $2,000 to for a lot of tickets, and just some of them weren't included, and I don't know why, but I know like they were all dismissed back then too as well for like the 2022 April 5th the ticket numbers.
I see you
And like
paid some money on 8/21. August of 2021, I see you paid a fair amount of tickets on August of 2021. I don't see anything any more recent than that.
okay, so you're saying you'll dismiss the 9 tickets and then I have to pay 2
I'm
for
dismissing 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you pay the 2 $120 tickets.
The $120 tickets for defective equipment. So it'll be $240 total.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I pay it in 2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I will do that. Hopefully I'll pay it sooner. I just, need an extra week, just to make sure it's, done.
Well, Mr. Green here, he's got driver's license, registration, and insurance. He has 9 tickets. I gave him an offer of 2 defective equipment because he had 1, 2 defective equipments and 1 proper plate. He asked, could you do any better than that?
The 9 tickets? That's
No,
very generous.
He paid a substantial amount of money to the court 2 years ago to clear up some matters. So.
All right. Give him 1 defective. However, if you tell me if that means tickets again.
I hope he doesn't come back again. He's done all this work to get his driver's license back, bringing insurance and stuff. All right, 1 count defective equipment will dismiss the other matters, $120. I'll give you 2 weeks to pay. Stipulate to the case as an aggravated basis for the responsible plea counselor.
We'll stipulate the probable cause.
Actually, at the time, just to state, when I did get pulled over.
Hey, Mr. Green.
I'm sorry.
You're winning. You're winning.
Got you. I got you. Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry.
So that's all you're gonna get.
Okay.
All right. I appreciate you trying though.
Thank you.
All right. 120, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Judge.
That I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of influence as charged improper equipment, defective equipment, whatever. And then dismissing the other matters, providing valid documentation as far as the insurance, license, and registration. $120, sir. You said 2 weeks, right?
Yes, sir.
Pay by 11/20/2023. If there's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a very good day. Congratulations on getting all that stuff in order, and best of luck to you, right?
Thank you, sir. You too as well. Have a good day as well, sir.
Thank
you. Bye.
All right. I have some in-persons here. Lipscomb. Trying to you have a vehicle in your name?
I don't. I stopped driving. I got the tickets. I stopped driving. Last month on the 15th, I came in to put myself on the payment plan. Make a down payment. 3 months. I said I was going to set up a payment for $300 a month, but I didn't do like $300 in 2 months.
You have a valid, you have a valid license?
No, it expired.
We're not trying to get a license?
Yes, so like suspended as well, but that's why I was told that after like 600 some odd dollars, I would be able that suspension would be lifted.
City of Detroit, step on up over here, please. Versus Jared Lipscomb. Case numbers SP 123952221, SP 128879551, SP 1291823, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 129182441, SP 1333581, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1235771, counts 1, 2, and 3. Hearings for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipscomb.
Jared Lipscomb.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. All right, Mr. Lipscomb. Hey, 240 for improper plate. That's a misdemeanor. Doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it doesn't carry any points. I'll dismiss that ticket upon payment. Pay $175 blocking traffic for this 11 to 15 miles per hour over. We'll dismiss the rest of the cases.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, yes,
All right. So you have a cell phone?
yes.
Go ahead outside, join the Zoom room, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry so he can go over your advice and rights. Matter of fact, you don't have to do that. Let's give him the advice and rights form, please. Here you go. So Thomas, can you kind of take that, read the advice and rights, and then when you're done, we'll get you out of here. You have an absolute right to a trial. Keep that in mind.
All right. Thank you very much.
That advice and rights. You gave it to him?
Yes.
All right, and then give him an ink pen and sign it and give it back to me. That makes it easier. I'm gonna get Miss Brady out of here as well. Did you speak to Mr. Oni?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's Mr. Oni want to do?
We set this matter for bench trial, Your Honor. And he will be taking the driver improvement course.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lydell Deshaun Oni. Case number, Mr. Oni, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel indicated you want to set this matter for trial.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date, February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
Yes,
you
sir.
got the information to the driving course, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Take the course. That should help mitigate some of these things. Give you an opportunity to get a valid driver's license. Let's see. Mr. Oni, I'm going to also allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front, 14269-501. Come down to the courthouse. You have to come in person to pay the reinstatement fee up front. That's $45. You got to come to the window, pay that. Once you pay that, you can potentially go back to the Secretary of State, wait 48, 72 hours and get a valid driver's license, all right?
Yes, sir.
Any further questions, sir?
You say that date is February 27th, 9 o'clock?
2024 at 9 a.m.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Judge Perkins.
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Dillard.
Yes, I have my client on the phone. He's having difficulty logging in. State your name, Mr. Groves.
Arthur William Groves, Groves.
Your Honor, I'm gonna try to call the clerk to see if she can get him in. If not, then he'll be coming on my screen. But I need to talk to the prosecutor. Is there any way I can be transferred over with the prosecutor?
No, you have to call them or wait for them to come in. They haven't come in yet.
Your Honor, could I have co-host capabilities?
Okay, and that's for what reason, Mr.?
Just so to make it easy to navigate between my client to the prosecutor and back and forth without interrupting the court's flow.
All right, your client, is he on the phone? Is he in the breakout room? And is he in the waiting room or something?
No, my client is on my cell phone, Your Honor. He's having difficulty getting in.
All right, let's go ahead and move on to what happened to Green? Did Green take care of himself? Did Green take care of himself? Ready on Livingston? Lipscomb. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lipscomb. Mr. Lipscomb, giving you an opportunity to read and review their advice to rights. Is that your signature down there?
Yes, it is.
You understood their rights, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about them?
No, Judge.
You know, like taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Give each one of them an advice to rights too.
Okay.
You know, you're giving those rights up by taking this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated today?
No.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, let me draw your attention back to December 16, 2021, at around 2:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of State Fair and Exeter. Do you have any occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I remember that day.
All right, and you remember getting stopped by the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, a vehicle hit me.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Could not.
All right, why is that?
I didn't have insurance on it. On my
Very
truck.
well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. I'm gonna fine him $240. I told you I'd dismiss that ticket upon payment.
Yes.
That's for the civil infraction. You stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea for the civil infraction as the 11 to 15 over, reduced to a blocking traffic.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That stipulation, I find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175. We'll close it out upon payment. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Those stipulations, I'm going to dismiss the matter. To set a review date. When can you pay it, sir?
I'm gonna pay it Friday.
All of it?
Yes.
On Friday, you come out
This Friday.
before else pay it?
I will.
Come back up here Friday morning and show me that paperwork. We'll dismiss the case.
Judge, I don't think we have.
Oh, we're not open Friday. Right. She knows our vacation day. Would you, Thursday?
I'll get paid till Friday. So
Next week.
Yeah,
You gotta hold that money.
I am. I promise I will.
17, 11, 17, 2023. 8/25 is your review day. Come on back up. We'll dismiss the case, all right?
All right.
Further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, he'll like paperwork. We want paperwork. Okay.
Mark Gistino.
What's what?
Good, Mark.
Still got rights or rights. All that's saying is that you understand these rights. You didn't give up anything. that again?
No, when I signed, I was giving up my rights. So.
No. You give up your rights if you take a deal.
Okay.
No, you're just acknowledging that those are your rights. Sammy Earl Graham?
Yes.
You have valid insurance and registration?
Yes, sir.
You
Hey.
have valid license?
Yes, sir. Working on getting them.
Some of them you've already entered into deals on these tickets and didn't pay. Right?
Right. I just got a job about a month and a half ago.
City of Detroit versus Sammy Earl Graham. Case number is SP 132-66873. SP 133-4856, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 134-51303. SP 140-6209, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 147-847. 9 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 147-84801, SP 1505-7471. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Sammy Earl Graham.
State your name for the record, Mr. Graham.
Sammy Earl Graham?
You have $45 on you today?
Yes, sir.
All right, first to take that $45 downstairs. We'll put it in the computer now if we can. Allow them to pay this reinstatement fee up front. That appears to be what's holding you up, at least for the 36th District Court. I don't know if you have any other tickets in the other jurisdictions. But you wait 48 to 72 hours from this point, if you pay it today, and I'll give you an opportunity to step to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a valid license. You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
SP 133. Oh, not now. Keep it valid when you come back. Eight, 5, 6, 2. Hey, reinstatement. We'll pass the matter until he goes down there and pays that, come back up. This Mathis should put it in the system now. Just that one. Well, other we're gonna set free trial. You want to do it all at one time?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna.
Let's set up.
Let me do this one.
Let's pass the matter momentarily when she gets in the system lab, you go down there and pay it, come back up, show us the receipt. All right. Then Livingston, we're waiting on you. You have where? Let's see. He's ready to go. Let's see if the officer showed up. Livingston's file. Did we get Michael Livingston?
I don't have a file from Michael Livingston. I have to call downstairs. I'll call them. Oh.
Hale is here. Okay, you have a phone, Mr. Livingston?
Yes, sir.
Jump on Zoom in the hallway. That way I can get you opportunity to speak with the officer was here. Is he here now? Is Officer Hale here? I thought I saw him, but. Officer Hale. Kyle Hale. Now you have 3 more tickets that's not set for trial. You're Michael Deshaun Livingston?
Yes, sir.
4/4/1973, correct?
Yes, sir.
Miss Sarah Robinson.
Yes, I'm looking right now, Judge, to make sure it's the same Michael Livingston in my file.
Got your name on here. I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss these. You still gotta come back again. I don't know why the other ones never got on this docket.
There was another court date where Mr. Livingston did not appear, and I was there, so I'm glad I'm able to reach him today. We did have prior contact, but lost contact in the interim.
But this is something that goes back. I usually, when I put them up, I usually consolidate everything. So this is something that went back to 2020 that should have been, I should have been able to consolidate had I been here. Maybe somebody else was filling in for me that day. I don't know what happened. But usually I like to treat it as a one-stop shop, and if I see you have old stuff and we can put it all on one date, that's what we do. Let's call this case so you guys make another trip down here. But if your peers opposition would probably get a driver's license. Now, I'm gonna tell you, over the court, $276 for this old expired plate. We're not gonna address that, all right?
Yes, I want to address it. When I took a class in jail in the county for 7 months. I had a program. They were going to clear all the old stuff out when I did it in 7 months. The class I took I was in the county.
Do you have proof of that?
I mean, I didn't break. I thought that was done. I'm just.
I don't think that the county time is going to be applicable to a civil infraction. Am I correct or not? When did you do the time in the county?
Year and a half ago. I don't know.
Right. So what I will do is that, let's call the case City of Detroit versus Michael Deshaun Livingston, case number SD 1429154, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those are the cases that you're on, Ms. Robinson. Today is the date and time set for a trial. So put your appearance on the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson on behalf of Mr. Michael Livingston.
All right, Mr. Livingston, state your name for the record, please.
Michael Deshaun Livingston.
Okay, are you gonna handle these other 3 cases or no, Ms. Robinson? I can get you appointed on them if you like.
That's fine, thank you, Your Honor. May I ask Mr. Livingston a question?
Yes.
Mr. Livingston, are you still on Chippewa Street?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because I sent mail to you there. That explains it.
I mean, I should have got my cousin stay there, so I just don't stay there.
Did you get my mail, sir?
No, ma'am. Just the stuff from the court she gave me.
19474.
Archdale, yes. Yes, sir.
19474 Archdale.
My order has Chippewa, 22550 Chippewa.
48235. We'll change that in the computer. All right. As for purposes of this, today is the date and time set for trial. I honestly, I thought I saw Officer Hale here. I don't see him now, so you want to make a motion, counsel?
Yes, move to dismiss.
Let me see if he left a note first. Let me see if he left a note in the chat. No, don't see a note in the chat. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer.
For Livingston.
Livingston. All right, let's call City of Detroit versus Michael Deshaun Livingston, case number SP8658691 2041375 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Michael Livingston.
All right. What we'll do on these, so you need to be reappointed, Ms. Robinson?
Your Honor, I have SP 1429154 as my case that I was appointed on my order, and
all right.
So
we'll appoint you on the 204-13750 counts 1 and 2 and 3. My question to you was, Mr. Livingston indicated to the court that he did time in the county jail and that he tried to take care of this expired plate back then. As a 2017 ticket. I am under the impression that the county jail time does not go towards civil infractions, but let me know if you feel any different.
I don't feel any different.
You don't?
No.
All right, what I'll do in the case then, what I'll do is I'll just reduce it down to $145 from $276.
Yes,
I'll wipe the
the old one.
The old one. I can wipe away the late fees and stuff like that.
Yes, sir. I need maybe 2 weeks or so. Can I come back in 2 weeks and pay it?
You very well can. That'll take care of that. And then we're going to get you appointed on the other cases. Ms. Robinson, you have a contact information?
No, sir.
I have a phone number beginning 443. Is that still your number, sir?
No, ma'am.
What's your number?
313-861-6000.
All right. I'm going to mark that down in the file as well. Mr. Livingston, expect a call from Ms. Robinson. I'm going to appoint appointed counsel. You want to just straight this straight to trial, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, sir. What's the case number, sir?
204-13750 counts 1, 2, and 3. I'll just set a trial date so you don't have to keep coming back. Let's set that for February 26, 2024 at 9 a.m. In the meantime, it appears that you can go get a driver's license. I don't know.
I have to check, but I had some tickets in Dearborn that they're supposed to be done with the county time, maybe. I don't know if I have to look into it. I thought yours was all of them was
well
at the time.
You're cleared here. So there's nothing further. Mr. Livingston, these cases will be dismissed. No officer. Have a very good day, sir. If you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you. I will see you after the new year.
All right. Can you say his address just in case that number something happens?
Text the address.
Yeah, not Chippewa, the new street.
19, you don't mind me saying.
She can say it.
19474 Archdale, Detroit 48235.
Thank you.
And we didn't even have a file for Livingston either.
So we just on no officer, Your Honor.
Yeah, dismissal of no officer. I mean, I can't keep track of whether they came in or not. They didn't leave the message. I wouldn't have dismissed it if you left a message in the chat, because I understand they gotta go back and forth. You leave a chat, and maybe I didn't. Have a great day, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Call me.
What was the trial date for the other,
That's February 26, 2023. Strike that, 2024 at 9 a.m.
thank you.
Is that in person? I don't do
If
Zoom.
you don't
I don't,
want to do Zoom, you can come in person.
I don't want to do anything on Zoom when I go to it.
That's fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I took care of you today, right?
Yes, sir.
I treat it like, everybody's gone, but I treat it like, I kind of get it when I go to the drive-through, when I kind of go in all the time. I don't like to drive through, and I kind of get upset when they take care of drive-through people. So when people take the time to come in, I try to give them, the benefit of the doubt and get them out soon, things like that. But we're all on Zoom for the most part now. So that's the way life is. All right. Have a great day, Mr. Livingston. See you in the new year, all right?
Paperwork.
All right. Is Courtney Denise Grady here? Courtney Denise Grady, are you there? You were there earlier.
Yes, I'm here. I had to unmute it.
Very well. City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Courtney Denise Grady. Case number SP 131-60591, SX 4281719, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grady.
Courtney Denise Grady.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial on one of the matters. Let's see what is set for on the other, on the 2 state matters. Other matter is set for Raymond on the bench. Thank you. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
You're not guilty to your client's behalf. Your client a $0 bond. You said, Ms. Grady, you don't have a vehicle anymore?
No, I don't have the vehicle anymore. It was repossessed.
Well, I can give you the offer today of improper plate 240 and dismiss the other cases. And you have an absolute right to a trial. I must let you speak to, pardon me. And I'm sorry. I must let you speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. That offer is going to remain open on the day of trial as well, Mr. Berry, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, join the room, speak to Mr. Berry, Ms. Grady. Let's go with Show. Armani Show.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. I don't know how you got here. Let's see. Is that your full name? Mr. Show? You have to unmute yourself.
Hello?
Mr. Show?
Yes, sir.
Is that your full name?
No, it's Felton Orr.
Say that again.
Felton Orr.
Shelton.
Felton, F-E-L-T-O. Then last name Orr, O-R-R.
Orr. Felton or, all right. Felton, Armani or, all right. All right, that's better. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
A sixth grade teacher named Miss Felton. She handed out a lot of compliments to me. You know, she's 103 years old now, and she remembers more people in my class than I do. What about Thornton? Thornton, Officer Thornton.
Officer Thornton.
See here.
Oh. Hello?
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 Are you Officer Thornton?
I'm Arthur William Groves.
Hold on 1 minute. City of Detroit versus Felton, Armani or case number SP 131-20221, SP 131-52281, SP 131-2022. Counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, on behalf of Mr. Felton Orr.
Mr. Orr, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do we have Officer Thornton? Officer Thornton. I don't see Officer Thornton here in the breakout room or by calling the officer's name. Go ahead, counsel.
Dismiss all counts, including the infractions.
All right, you dodged the bullet this time, Mr. Orr. I hope the allegations aren't true, but at the end of the day, if they are, then I hope you adjust your behavior. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case. What's today's date? The 6th, 23. Dismiss no officer. Have a great day, Mr. Orr. Good luck to you, all right?
Appreciate you, officer.
Let's go with Goddard. You hear Goddard?
Yes, I'm here.
Goddard, you hear?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It is.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You have a date for it?
On your schedule. Get them some.
I don't see Goddard on the docket for some reason. Is this G-O-D-A-R-D?
That is correct. It's G-O-D-A-R-D.
The illegal dumping ticket?
Excuse me, you said, do I have the illegal docking ticket?
Is that the illegal dumping ticket that you got, that you're here for?
No, it was driving, reckless driving. I tie your skirt out in front of the
See, maybe that, I don't like when that.
My tires was wet and they kind of
That's the
skirted.
one up right before you on the City of Detroit versus Quinshon Goddard, case number SP 1498841. Appearance for the record, please. Supposed to be here tomorrow, sir.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goddard.
My name is Quinshon Goddard.
As purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Reckless driving is 6 points, automatic suspension on your license for at least 90 days, I believe. The city only reduces this down to a drag racing ticket, 4 points on your license. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry and speak to Mr. Berry about your options here. All right, sir? Join the breakout room, please. What's going on with, okay, Mr. Berry, what's going on with Grady? No. Go ahead, Mr. Goddard, in the breakout room, please.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Sammy Earl Graham. Mr. Graham, I'll give you an opportunity to go down there and pay that reinstatement fee up front. Court says, Mr. Graham.
Yes, sir.
Back on the record here, I've given you an opportunity to pay that reinstatement fee. They acknowledge that you've done that. I'm gonna give you some time to get this license and stuff together if you can. Wait 48 to 72 hours from the day and then approach the Secretary of State. That way that clearance will get there. I'll see what they say. You might get lucky. All right. But at least you can ask them for documentation to tell you exactly what's affecting your license, and they should be able to give you court dates, court houses and whatever. But I think that should clear this up. Now, if it doesn't, then you come back down, we'll see what we can do. All right. Other than that, I'm gonna give you a free trial of December the 11th to get this stuff taken care of at 8:30, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, come on back December 11th. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
That's 8:30 in the morning.
8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, John.
All right. Crystal, is Crystal here?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
What's your name? What's your last name?
Godfrey.
Say that again.
Godfrey.
I
Godfrey.
couldn't hear you. Godfrey. Okay, very well. City of Detroit versus Crystal Yvonne Godfrey, case number SP 1480454, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Crystal Godfrey. Ma'am, please state your name.
Crystal Godfrey.
There's a date and time set for a pre-trial. Mrs. Godfrey, you have valid license, registration, and insurance. Ms. Godfrey?
Can you hear me?
Did you hear me, ma'am? I know you're at work, but you gotta pay attention to this right now. Well, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please. Show me valid registration and insurance, please. Flip it over. No, other side, other one. Turn it around. You had it flipped over, upside down. There you go. That's not valid. That's not valid, ma'am.
Let me, well, give me 2 seconds, because I got the valid one now. Maybe I got the wrong one out the
Okay.
box.
No, they got that, they can't.
Is that not the right one, yeah?
Did the one just run in or no? Pardon? No, I said, did one just run in? No. Can you hear it?
Let's see the insurance.
I just sent everything to the chat room.
You did? Oh, I think I saw that.
Yeah, but let me go get the right one. My car is out in the back. I
All
thought
right,
that was.
go ahead to your car, get the right documentation. I've got valid insurance, and I've got a valid driver's license. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. I'm going to dismiss the cases, providing valid documentation. All right?
You see what happened?
You hear me?
Say that one more time. You gotta dismiss everything.
I'm providing valid documentation. You have valid insurance. So I believe you got valid driver's license, valid, and you have a valid license. All right, have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
I was going to the car. Okay, thank you.
All right, very well.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Leonard. All right, what's going on with Grady, Mr. Berry?
Mr. Grady.
Miss Grady.
You answer for Mr. Groves?
What's going on with Miss Grady?
Bench trial, Your Honor. Apologize.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Courtney Denise Grady. Miss Grady, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And Miss Grady, is that what you want to do, trial?
Yes, sir.
All right. February 26, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Miss Grady?
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
All right.
What about Goddard?
Yes.
What's Goddard gonna do?
Mr.
I
Goddard.
decided to go to trial.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Quinshon Goddard. Trial, you want to go to trial too, sir?
Yes.
All right, trial date is going to be February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Okay.
Leonard, is that?
Yes.
Carla Shea?
Yes.
Good morning to you, man. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, you did. Good morning.
Good morning. You're set for trial January 9th, 2024.
Yes.
Okay, what brings you here today?
I also had a court date with you today. I was scheduled at 8:35.
On what ticket?
The ticket number is SP150087111. It's a current ticket from 2023. Yes.
That's the one set for a formal hearing. Everything is set 1/9/2024.
Okay.
January 9th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Judge Kevin L. Gordy.
You're Judge Gordon?
Yeah, Gordy, Kevin L. Gordy. I'm having trouble with my video, but I am on the telephone.
All right.
Okay, I got you now on the little.
You said you're
laptop.
Judge Gordon?
No, Kevin L. Gordy.
Oh, I thought you said Judge Kevin Gordon.
Oh no.
Oh, all right. You were saying judge like acknowledging me, right? Is that what you were doing?
Yes.
All right, Laurie.
Lowry Gordy.
City of Detroit versus
All those, I'll let you pet them.
City of Detroit versus Kevin L. Gordon. Case number is SP 1486548. Strike that. SP 1486543 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1486558 count 1. SP 1494895 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1494941. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Kevin Gordy. Sir, please state your name.
Kevin L. Gordy.
All right, for somebody that appears to not have a driver's license, I don't know whether he does or not. For somebody that appears to, hold on, please don't say anything.
Okay.
All right, let your lawyer do the talking for you. For somebody that for me, I wouldn't be doing 16 to 20 over proceedings if I didn't have a license. That's up to him. Are you on this 313-288-5662 number?
Yes, sir. And I'm on video.
I saw you. You want to take the better driver's course, or you want to offer, or you want to set it for trial? What do you would like to do, Mr. Gordy?
I would like to take a driver's course.
Pardon me?
I would like to take a driver's course because I paid the 2 tickets from 2017, I believe it was.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
All right, I don't see it.
Well, I got receipts.
I'm not gonna go back and forth with you on it. I'm just telling you what the computer says. So I hope you have your receipts.
I have them. I have my receipts.
Very well. All right. Why don't you speak to him in a breakout room and give him the better driver's course information? He has an absolute right to a trial. He has one count of driving while license suspended, repeat offender, no insurance misdemeanor, another count of driving while license suspended, and 4 civil infractions. Plus he owes $252 on a 1 to 5 back in 2017 and $228 on a no registration back in 2017. Talk to Miss Attorney Robinson in the breakout room, and then I'll mark it as better drivers. Give him my email address. He's on the phone. Give him my email address and stuff. Make sure he has that, and go from there, Ms. Robinson.
Thank you.
He's in there.
Sandy Brown, do we take Sandy? Yeah, I think we did. He's got a license.
Question? Yeah. How about I give you $100 if you call in sick?
All right, down to 541-221-1950. 541-221-1950. Who's on that line?
Yes, I'm here.
What's
Hello?
your name, sir?
Michael E. Ojukwu.
Ojukwu?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Michael Ojukwu, case number SP 1168119, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11226483, SP 11756033, SP 1228522, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1228523, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1369764, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1407468, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ojukwu.
Michael E. Ojukwu. Michael E. Ojukwu.
Okay, for SP 112268483, that seems to have been paid. Let me make sure. One 2268483 has been paid. Let's close that out. For SP 11681193. See what's going on with that. That was reopened. It says payment. I don't know how this is reopened. Maybe because we're trying to help on the points. SP 11681193.
You said SP 116.
8193. Maybe that's why the other one's open. All right. Well, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Ojukwu?
I have valid driving license, but I don't have my insurance and registration. And that is what I'm trying to get insurance so that I can go to the Secretary of State.
Run his driver's license, please. Yeah, you got it. Let's pass the matter. Let me look at the license and see what's going on.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins. What email do you want me to give out to the client?
SEAN.Perkins at 36th District Court is fine.
Just Sean.Perkins?
Sean.Perkins, yes.
Okay, thank you.
I put it in the chat with the driver's class. All right, let's see who Zoom user is. Who is Zoom user? I think we lost Zoom user. That gets me down to Mr. Gilmore Dominicas Harris. You have to take your hat off, sir, please.
Okay.
Mr. Dominicas.
Yeah.
Good morning. Take your hat off, please. Jay's iPad. James's iPad.
I dropped something.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Who's that?
James Lee.
James Lee?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you.
James Leonard Lee Jr.?
Yes.
Mr. Ojukwu.
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Ojukwu. Mr. Ojukwu, you do not have a valid driver's license.
I have a driving license.
Okay, I'm not gonna go back and forth with you. You do not have a valid driver's license. You may have a piece of plastic that says driver's license with Mr. Michael E. Ojukwu on there, but it's not worth the plastic it's printed on, sir.
Okay. So what do I do?
Yeah. Pardon me?
I said, what do I have to do? If my driving license said,
you either have to, it appears that you got clearances right now to go to Secretary of State. You either have to go to Secretary of State or go find one of those driver restoration programs or something, but I can set these matters for trial or I can get you an offer today, but it's a lot of matters here.
Your Honor, what I would like to do is I'm just trying to get my insurance and go to Secretary of State. That's what I'm looking for, but the insurance that I'm getting is too high, and I am on SSI. My money is almost about $700, so I need to can you give me some time so I can buy the insurance and go to Secretary of State and get my registration and then my insurance and come back to you. Please.
Yeah, I'll do that, but you need to get a license as well.
But the reason why I asked is
I don't, Mr. Ojukwu, I don't want to know the reason why. I want you.
No.
Let me speak. Let me speak.
Your Honor.
Man, because I'm next.
All right, Mr. Ojukwu, if you're not gonna let me speak, then we can't talk. No. Okay.
Okay. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, Your Honor. Please.
All right.
Go ahead.
So, if you're gonna go to the Secretary of State, sir, I don't see anything preventing you down here at the 36th District Court from getting a valid license. Now, when you go to the Secretary of State, you can ask them, first of all, can you get a license? If you can't get a license, then you can ask them any of the matters that are preventing you from getting the license, and they should be able to outline and give you documentation of courthouses and everywhere that you have matters in that you need to take care of. I'll give you time to do that.
Okay, sir. Okay, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Very well. I'm going to set a pre-trial date for December the 11th, 2023 at 8:30. That should give you enough time to get to the Secretary of State, and hopefully you'll be able to figure out what is preventing you from getting a valid driver's license, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Ojukwu. Have a very good day.
Thank you, and God bless.
God bless you as well. Zoom user, I couldn't find Zoom user. Mr. Gilmer Dominiquez Harris is not responding. He has the New York hat on, and I told him to remove his hat. And that gets me down to James Leonard Lee Jr.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How you doing? Okay.
I'll be the city of Detroit versus James Leonard Lee Jr., case number SP 1190016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1215008, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1215015, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1385255, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1437395, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1437462, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1477731, SP 1477770, counts 1, 2, and 3. 217222686, counts 1 and counts 2. And 217222687. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. James Lee. Sir, please state your name.
James Leonard Lee Jr.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, we waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute. Request to recall capias.
Enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. All these tickets appear to be just document tickets. You have valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Lee?
I do not have a valid license, but on 4 Edge, it is valid insurance registration.
Say that again. I didn't hear that.
Okay. My actual license, I do not have a valid license, but
okay.
Of that Ford Edge, it's a Ford Edge that I caught a lot of tickets in. That particular vehicle does have valid registration though.
That's just on the Ford Edge, right?
Yes.
All right. Do you want to take time to get a valid license? I can allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front on this SP 119000163. I don't know what else you have in any other jurisdictions, but it does appear that that is holding you up here with 36th District Court. You want to do that, sir?
Judge, I'm really just open to. I really don't have the money to pay it because it's a lot of tickets. I was trying to see.
Well, I didn't ask you all that, sir. Do you have $45?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you got the money. All I'm asking for now is you come down to the courthouse and pay this $45 up front on that SP 119000163. That appears, and I say appears because it could be something I don't know about in your driving record, but that appears to what's been holding you up here at the 36th District Court at least. I don't know if you have tickets in other jurisdictions or not. I'll allow you to pay that reinstatement fee up front. $45, that means you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse in person. I can't let you do it on the kiosk because they won't accept it on the kiosk like that. And come on down and pay it. Wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State and see what they say about giving you a license. All right?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you until December the 11th, 2023. That's gonna be a pretrial at 8:30. On all the matters. Come back then, all right?
Okay.
As soon as you can, come pay that reinstatement fee up front. I put the matter is on that no proof of insurance. You have an ink pen?
Yes, I'm getting one right now. Okay, I'm ready.
SP 11900-163. That's the case number. Pay $45, reinstatement fee up front. You have to come to the window, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then approach the Secretary of State, see what they say about getting you a license, all right?
Okay, thank you. And when was my pre-trial date again?
December the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
Page. What about the person on the phone there, Gordy? Paige, what's your last name, ma'am? You're inaudible. You may have to take those headphones off. I don't know what's going on.
Your Honor.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning. My last name is Lindau.
Who just called me?
I've been here. I was trying to rename my device, but it wanted to check in. It wouldn't let me rename my device. Mark Gistinall.
What's your name?
Mark Gistinall, Your Honor.
Gistinall.
Going back
City
on
of Detroit. Yeah, I'll have you in line anyway. I got you just under the iPad.
That's fine.
City of Detroit versus Page and Lindau, case number SP 1493999, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lindau.
Paige Ann Lindau.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lindau, you have valid license and registration. Strike that. Do you have valid insurance and registration?
Yes.
Can I see the documents, please?
Yes, this is my registration.
You have to turn the background off before I can see it. All right, I'm satisfied with that. Insurance. I'm satisfied with that. Hey, I'll amend this disregarding traffic control device to a blocking traffic, $175. No point offense is a civil infraction. I'll call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. You want to take the deal, ma'am? You have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
Well, Your Honor, I'll stipulate. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to dismiss the insurance, misdemeanor insurance and the no registration, providing valid documentation, and amend the finder responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregard of red signal or traffic control device. Ms. Lindau, when can you pay?
In 2 weeks?
11/20/2023, and you have it by then?
Yes.
Paid at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Dominguez, necesito interpreter. He's not responding. All right. Let's go ahead with Mr. Ryan Lee. Mr. Lee, is that a scarf you got on your head?
Yes, sir.
Can you remove it, please? Okay. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This Ryan Eugene Lee?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Ryan Eugene Lee, case number U60133021. Strike that. SP 1178713, count 1 and count 2. SP 1178718 SP 1250251, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1426808, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1431220. SP 1431222. SX 3799151, counts 1 and counts 2. That's the state of Michigan versus Ryan Eugene Lee. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Ryan Lee. Sir, please state your name.
Ryan Eugene Lee.
Strike the count 2 off of that. SX 3799151. Count 2, strike that. Mr. Lee. Got the EWOP ticket. It's got a 16 to 20 over ticket. I have a city attorney in here. Can you, good morning to you. Can you put the appearance on the record, please? Mr. Geringer, a counselor.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Are you the new city attorney for the, or is Miss Sarah Robinson just out? Strike that. Is
Ms. Schneider, I believe, is just indisposed. So I'm just filling in for today.
Okay. So, all right, 16 to 20 over, sir. You want to take the defensive driving course to see if you can get a better deal from the prosecutor? Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
No, the ticket that I caught when I had the vehicle, I don't have that vehicle anymore, so I don't have registration or insurance. I have a valid driver's license.
You do have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. All right, I'm gonna put the better driver's course in the chat. I don't know if they fixed this so I can repopulate it or not. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, I put the better driver's course in the chat, and I put my email address in the chat. I'll give you some time to take that driver's course. and hopefully bring back some valid insurance or whatever you need. I do know that the city is only willing to, and we may just go straight to trial if we choose to, because the city is only willing, he does have a valid license. Congratulations on that. The city's only willing to go down to a disorderly conduct on the EWAP ticket. That's $240 fine, and that will be a misdemeanor on your record. I can just go straight to trial, give you a date of February 27th. You can still take that class and you can get ahead of things. And then we'll deal with the EWAP ticket. I do have a valid license for him. Let me put you in a breakout room, sir, with an attorney, so you can speak with the attorney and you can chart out a better way to proceed, all right? If you can figure one out with the attorney, all right?
Okay.
Who put their appearance on the record here?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. I see Mr. Gordy. Why don't you join the breakout room, Mr. Lee? And give me a second so I can get Mr. Gordy out of here, and then I'll assign you to, just sit tight right there. I'm gonna pass the matter. We'll get Mr. Gordy out of here, and then we'll get you in the breakout room with Ms. Robinson, all right?
Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. And let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin L. Gordy. Mr. Gordy, giving you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Robinson in the breakout room. Ms. Robinson, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we'd like to come back for a trial date. He's going to take the driver's class, or maybe the court may want to do another pretrial. He's going to take the better driver's course. He's going to send in his receipts for matters he's paid to the court. And he has proof of insurance and registration, which he's going to forward to the court.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date on February 27th. That'll give him ample opportunity to get his affairs in order, get that class taken, get any receipts to the court. You have the better driver's course. You have my email address. Don't use my driver's license because I don't want you getting me a 4-point ticket. My name. But at the end of the day, February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Yeah.
All right. Join the, have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Move to the main session now. You are now in the main session.
Join the breakout room.
Goodbye.
Ms. Robinson for Mr. Lee.
Yes,
Do you have any further questions, Mr. Gordy?
No, sir.
Very well. Have a great day, sir.
Yeah.
586-754-2408. 586-754-2408 on the telephone. Gilmer Dominguez. Dominique. Yes. Gilmer Dominguez. I don't know why he's not connected to audio. That's why. All right, iPad. The gentleman on the iPad that gave me your name earlier. iPad. Press, you gotta unmute yourself, please.
Your Honor, you called for Mark?
Oh, what's your name again? I'm sorry.
Mark Gistanov.
Gistanov. City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Gistinall, but this doesn't seem like it's you. What's your date of birth?
You may have my father, Your Honor. Mine is 1/2/90.
1/2/1990. You might want to take his father's stuff. Father only has a couple things. All right. The City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Gistinall, case numbers SP. 1423860, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1423863, counts 1, counts 2. SP 1448021, SP 1485968, SP 146 strike that. SP 1486128, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Mark Gistinall, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set Raymond on the bench for him. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
If you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gistinall, I see you probably don't have a license. I can allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front, get a license. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
Let's see the documentation you have, sir.
2 things, Your Honor.
No, one thing. Let's see the documentation that you have. You said you have valid registration and insurance. Turn the background off, please.
Minister, begin.
I think I did it. You see that, Your Honor?
All right, let's see what you have, Mr. Gistinall. Let's see that again. Yeah, push it. Let me move my. All right, now look, I got it. All right, push it a little closer to over to your left.
My camera's kind of, let me see if I can turn
Let's
it.
put it over to your left.
Oh.
Over more. All right. Push it a little closer. That insurance is expired.
Hold on, Your Honor. I'm sorry, but that's what I was trying to tell you. I contacted the insurance company to get the insurance for these. And they both sent me the wrong documents. But hold on, I can go into my app.
They won't what?
They sent me the wrong document. Well, I thought that one was accurate, but it's not. But here you are, Your Honor. Let's see.
Okay, very well. I'm satisfied with that. And let's see the registration.
And that part, Your Honor, the card that's in question was told to the shop, so I don't have it physically on me.
Mr. Gibson,
Yes.
All right. You have, so that takes care of most of the documentation. And I see I've got valid insurance. I need valid registration. What I will do today is I'm going to dismiss these insurance for providing valid documentation. That should get your driver's license back. The other cases, I'm going to have you back when you give me the proper documentation. You got some defective equipment, defective light tickets. I'll give you hold on, wait a minute until I finish, all right?
Yes.
I'll give you a defective equipment and defective lights tickets. I'll offer you an improper defective equipment if you don't show proof that that stuff is fixed. And I'm gonna let you speak, all right? But just let me finish saying what I'm saying, and you digest it, and then you say what you have to say. What do you want to say?
Shoot. So I was just trying to get so I have 5 different counts in front of me. It may not be the actual, maybe less. I
have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counts.
Yeah, I wasn't aware of all of those. But majority is yes, we have insurance and valid registration. The one that I know for sure is SP 1448021. That car is sold. Buick Regal 2011. That car was sold that same day.
Is that everything else I can?
Yes, everything else I can account for.
All right, bring it. When can you bring the documentation in?
I could bring it down there today, Your Honor.
No, when you show me. I don't need you to bring it in. You said you can get the information off of the. You said it's in the shop. When are you going to be able to get to the shop and give me the information?
I'm going right after this, but let me try. If you can call me back shortly.
I'm not calling you back.
No, Your Honor. I'm saying I forgot what the legal term is. Let me try to pull it up on the SOS website. Valid registration.
Oh, I don't know. I'll learn something new if I didn't know you can do that, but I'll let you try it.
No problem.
I'll pass the matter. Other than that, I'll set a pretrial date up and I can give you, you can come back with the documentation, but I'll pass the matter and give you the opportunity to do it.
Okay.
All right.
Doing it now.
All right. Good one. Good one. Let me see. Is Devin Lee here? I got Crawford Mixon. Is Dominique Glover here?
Hey, did you say good one?
Good one. Yeah, I said good one. Devin Lee.
Yeah, I'm here.
And then Latham, I got you. And then Glover. Is Dominique Glover here? All right, I'm gonna let these officers go.
All right. Yeah, Gerald Goodwin, I'm here now.
I know Goodwin's here. All right, let's call City of Detroit versus Gerald Leon Goodwin. Case numbers SP. Let me look it back up.
It's actually good night. Don't scare me. Hello.
Hold on a second, Mr. Goodwin.
All right. Where'd you again?
The City of Detroit versus Gerald Leon Goodwin, case number SP 115142221, SP 1151437, counts 1, in counts 2. SP 1229010 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1229028 SP 1359878 counts 1, 2, and 3 in the state of Michigan versus Gerald Leon Goodwin. This is the third case number SX 4206379 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appear on behalf of Mr. Gerald Goodwin. Sir, please state your name.
Gerald Goodwin.
Today is the date and time set for trial. Mr. Goodwin, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yeah, I got valid license. That car got valid registration, but I ain't got insurance on it, but it's messed up, so I ain't even driving it. Since the
Run his
accident.
driver's license, please. Let's pass that matter momentarily. And let's get, is Devin Lee here?
He's not saying right now. He's having a problem.
Is he?
Yeah.
Okay, Devin Lee is outside, Officer Williams. I was gonna dismiss you, but he's out. He's at the courthouse. Is Glover here? Dominique Glover, is she outside too? Is Dominique Glover? Dominique Glover. City of Detroit versus Dominique Glover, case number SP 1000497, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1283531, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1727581, V 11372218. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glover.
She's not here.
Oh,
so
okay.
Officer Corporal Corporate, are you here?
This is what I have.
Corporal Corporate. He's in the breakout room. Let me see if I can pull him out.
Corporate counsel here. I think you got another officer also in there. I think Cropick is on there.
He's in the breakout room. I'm trying to pull him out.
Sir.
All right. Officer Townsend, counsel, you want to put your appearance on the record? Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. Corporate Townsend badge 4364, Detroit Police.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Then Corporal Corpick is here, but I can't pull him out. You want to go in the breakout room, see if you can pull him out for me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hearing no response from Ms. Glover, I'm going to put a failure to appear bench warrant out for arrest, $0 fine. All right.
Your Honor, is Ms. Glover attached to these cases you just called, the V-tip?
Yes, Ms. Glover was the last cases, SP 1000497.
Okay.
And then ending in the V11372218.
First name of Ms. Glover, I'm sorry.
Dominique Elaine Glover. Corporate, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning. Corporal Stanley Kropic, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
Good morning to you. I just called Ms. Glover. She didn't appear. I put a failure to appear bench warrant out on her arrest, $0 bond. I just was with you and Officer Thompson. Be safe out there. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
All right, you too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's move on to Lee. You have a cell phone, sir?
Yeah, it's not letting him unmute it. I went to the settings, but it's not letting him unmute it because the host didn't let him, and it's not letting him show.
Nah.
Yeah, he said the host not allowing anyone to unmute.
All right, Holwick and Hill, you guys can rejoin the breakout room. I do have Mr. Lee here, so we got to figure out something on his device. I'm going to put the city attorney into the breakout room with officers, and you can speak with them as it relates to Devin Lee. He's set for trial today. All right. Let's go with try to rejoin again. See what's going on. Are we done with Gistinol? What's Gistinol doing?
Trying to log in, Your Honor.
Oh, trying to log in. All right. What about Goodwin? Did we talk to Goodwin? Anybody talk to Goodwin? All right, let's go. What about?
All right here, sir. Good one.
Yeah, hold on a second, Goodwin. Yeah. Mr. Miss Robinson went back to the breakout. Miss Robinson, what about Ryan Lee?
I spoke to Ryan Lee.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ryan Lee. Mr. Lee, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
That his license is valid, but he would like to take the better driver's course. So we're asking that everything be set for trial, but he does have valid license per Mr. Lee.
He does have valid license. I ran his license. It is valid. All right, I'm going to set the matter for trial. That's what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right, February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Have a very good day. All right. Yes.
You too.
This is always working.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go ahead with, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, you indicated, I see you paid your reinstatement fee up front. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah, I got a valid license. I want to pay.
Yeah, man, he's got a valid license. He's got a valid license. Mr. Goodwin has a valid license. Do you have valid registration and insurance, sir?
I don't even have that car no more. Everything.
Do you have a car, sir?
Yeah, I got a car. I got a car.
So do you have valid registration and insurance on that car?
I got valid registration. I don't have insurance. I just about to get approved for insurance. They didn't want to approve me because I just got my license back. So I ain't even
gonna give you some time to get that insurance?
Yeah, you can give me some time. If you can give me like 2-3 weeks, then I'll have it. Sure.
How about coming back December the 11th?
That's cool.
Come back December the 11th, 2023, and bring valid registration and insurance, and then we'll see what kind of offer we can afford you, all right?
All right, cool, thanks.
All right, have a great day.
All right, so.
City of Detroit, Crawford Latham.
Yes, sir.
Crawford Latham. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, now this is a case where it seems like you're set for trial for some things and other things you're not? Or no, this was all pre-trial? It just looks on the, it's pre-trial. City of Detroit versus Crawford Latham. Case numbers SP 1006896 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 008691 count 1. SP 1426909 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1426923 SP 1426935 1 and 19215703 Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Latham.
Crawford Mixon Latham.
All right, good morning to you. You have a valid license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his driver's license, please. Well, let's deal with this. You have an open intoxicated motor vehicle driver. That case is going to be amended to, if you want to take a deal, only to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. And that is the same penalty, same punishment. It's a $240 fine, 2 points on your driving record, and an alcohol-related offense on your driving record. But that's the only deal that the city is willing to go down on that. You have an absolute right to a trial. You also have 21 to 25 over. I can offer you the better driver's course to help mitigate that.
I already took the course, Your Honor.
Yeah, I think you did.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if I have that somewhere in my stack. This is the wrong file. I think I saw you take that course.
Yes, sir, I did. I sent it to your email.
Send it to my email, so somebody took all my stack of driving courses. Here they are.
Did any of the House Counsel, this is City Prosecutor, by the way, hate to interrupt, but did any of the city, House Counsel or whoever is representing Defendant Lee, I believe Defendant Devin Lee, need to speak with me?
Who wants to handle Mr. Lee's?
I will.
Ms. Robinson,
All right,
if you
put you in a breakout
place me
room,
into a
Ms.
breakout room.
Robinson.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Turn the room, please. Basically, I don't have them stacked. Let me check my email. Email address you sent it from, sir?
I'm sorry, sir.
What email address did you send it to? Oh, here we are. All right, I have it. Now we'll get you an offer on the, or what do you want to do? You want to take, you know, part of the offer is going to be pleading to that open alcohol. You can take the matter to trial, and then we can get you a deal on that date, or you can either plead to that. Do you have insurance and registration?
No, Your Honor, the cars wasn't mine. It was my sister's. It was been repossessed since then.
But you have a car now.
No, sir. I'm at work. I'm sitting in a coworker's car.
You want to just you want to just set this matter for trial and see if you can do better on that open alcohol?
What was the ticket? What was the amount on the ticket, sir?
Well, it's $240. It's 2 points and an alcohol-related offense on your driving record. It's kind of an old ticket now, four years old at least. I don't know. You could take.
Well, it was, Your Honor, but it was my passenger that was in the car. It wasn't even me, sir.
I didn't ask that.
I know you didn't. I know you didn't.
You're talking about trying to defend yourself for the case. That you're going to have to present that on the date of the trial. But if it's alcohol in the motor vehicle, then let you speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room about it. Join the room, please. Who's on that Motorola? Oh, they're gone. Lloyd?
Yes, I'm here.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well.
Your Honor, Mark gets to know whenever you're ready.
Did you get the document out?
Yes, sir.
You can actually go online and get your registration off the line.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what he's got. I learned something new today. All right, let's see what that says there. Oh, Dodge. Let's get a little closer. What's the expiration date on that?
Oh, this is oh Lord. Hold on, Your Honor.
All right, let's do this. What are we gonna do? You have a deal on Lee?
I don't. I need to speak to Lee to see what he has.
Okay.
Or find out what he has right now, whatever the court would like to do.
Put him in a breakout room with you. Talk to him.
Thanks.
Join the room, Mr. Lee. Mr. Devin Lee, join the breakout room. He doesn't seem to be. Where's Thomas? Oh, he got in there. Mr. Berry, Ms. Lloyd.
Yes.
Excuse me, you, you have $45 now,
Yes.
and you pay this reinstatement fee up front. I'm assuming you want to try to get a license, correct?
Yeah, my license was suspended, and they suspended
Ms.
because
Lloyd, Ms. Lloyd. Yeah, I'm assuming you want to try to get a license, right?
yeah, I want my license back.
All right, well, I'm gonna tell you this, I'll let you pay this $45 up front.
Okay.
Reinstatement fee. That will get you clearance here. I don't know what you have in other jurisdictions. I can't speak to that. But you can pay it. You have to come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Okay.
You have, you'll wait 48 to 72 hours once you pay it. Let me put this on the record. City of Detroit versus L'Oreal.
Yes.
Case number SP 1340145, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1478245, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
L'Oreal Lloyd.
Ms. Robinson.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Ms. Lloyd.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, I would ask the court to set the matter for a pretrial or a trial date.
All right, I'm gonna enter a non-guilty plea in your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna allow Ms. Lloyd to pay the reinstatement fee on SP 1340145-2. I'm gonna also offer Ms. Lloyd the better driver's course because she has an allegation of driving 21 to 25 over the speed limit. Put that course in the chat, Ms. Lloyd. It's up to you whether you want to take it or not.
Okay.
I'll put that in the chat. Well, please take a screenshot of that. That has my email address and the better driver's course information. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse to pay this reinstatement fee. There's no better way I can get you to do that. You wait 48 to 72 hours, and then you will come back on December the 11th, 2023. Hopefully by that time you have the course taken, you have your driver's license back, and we can get you an offer, all right?
Okay.
And you have some form of insurance on some form of vehicle, all right?
Okay.
Understood, ma'am?
It's understood.
All right, very well. Have a very good day. See you back on December 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. At 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
Latham, what's gonna go on with Latham? Let's go back on the record with Crawford, Nixon, Latham. What's gonna go on with your client, Mr. Berry? You have done mute.
I still apologize. Your Honor, we bench trial. We seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Latham?
Yes, sir.
did you get the, class information, sir?
Class?
For the better drivers, you want to take the better drivers?
No, Your Honor, I already took it.
Oh, yeah, you did, there we go. Hand me that. Remind me again, I have it in the, I'm gonna put it in the file.
What you need, Judge?
So did I print that, class out? Here it is. Let me print this out now. All right, I have the class. All right, sir. I'll come back on February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Your Honor, I think you were right.
How am I right?
So it wouldn't let me pull it up, but it pulls up the previous transactions. But it wouldn't but here's one of the cards I said. This card actually matches the one that's on here. On the insurance.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Giston on. Hold that back up. I don't even have a 2021 in this file, but your whole file is not here. You want to just come back and bring the documentation, sir?
I tried to avoid it, but I don't think I can get around it. But yeah, I can do that.
All right, I tried to let you avoid it. When can you
I
come
can
back?
pull it up. This one wasn't sufficient, Your Honor. This is accurate and it's on the insurance policy.
I have the insurance. Well, you showed me some insurance for one of these vehicles, I thought.
Yeah, so there's a total of actually 5 vehicles on the insurance policy.
Yeah, so I took the insurance and I'm dismissing those cases.
Okay.
But the registration is what we're worried about, and then the defective equipments and stuff.
I accept fault for the defective equipment. I no longer have that vehicle. And this
All right, let's do it like this then. Let's do it like this. Pay 2 counts of defective equipment, $120 a piece, and we'll close the matters out. You want to do that? $240.
That's fine.
And it's not gonna abstract.
Is there any of these counts other than the insurance that affects points with the license?
No.
Okay.
No. Okay, so 2 counts. I'll give you the same deal I gave the other person, $120. Pretty much similar situation. Only difference was he showed me valid registration.
I just showed you a valid registration.
Yeah, I don't see that to that vehicle, but I'm gonna take the good. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, sir.
Normally with the registration you keep them in the car, so my apologies.
Yeah, I understand. $120. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
When can you pay the $120? I'm gonna find you responsible for 1 count of defective equipment.
I gotta come down there and pay a reinstatement, correct?
No. 120.
Okay. I come down there today.
I'll give you a couple of days to make sure. You say today, I don't know if you're gonna do it today, so I'm just gonna give you until Friday to make sure it's in here. He's paying this 120 defective equipment, I'm dismissing the other counts. And then dismissing everything. So have a good day, Mr. Gisson.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Excuse me, Judge, can I be put in the breakout room with the prosecutor?
let's go ahead, with, Devin Lee is really the last one with Mr. 586-754-2408. Who is that? Who's your client, Mr. Dillard?
Yes, Your Honor. Arthur Groves, 586. The number you just called, Your Honor.
Oh, he's not responding.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Yeah, I've been trying to call your name, your number a couple times. All right, we got you now. I'll put, City of Detroit versus Arthur Groves, case number SP 1444573, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. For the record, Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Mr. Groves. Mr. Groves, state your name for the record.
Arthur William Groves.
Your Honor, at this time, we're requesting that this matter be set for a bench trial. It's scheduled for a jury trial on November 14, 2023.
So you want to remove that and put it for a bench trial?
Put it for a bench trial, Your Honor.
November, you want to do November 14th still? Or I can give you February 27th.
Can you give me 1 second, John? February 27th will be good, John.
February 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Cancel bench trial, cancel jury trial for November 14th and final pre-trial for November. Today is the date of the final pre-trial. All right, very well. We've canceled the jury trial for November 14th. February 27th, Mr. Grove, is your next date. Mr. Dillard, you're in good hands with Mr. Dillard. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you both.
Okay, Mr. Groves, give me a call if you need to talk.
Yes.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May I go back to Mr. Devin Lee, Your Honor?
Yes. I can't get Mr.
And that was February for Mr. Dillard's client.
February 27th, yeah, that's the last one. For Mr. Can you put that note up, Ms. Mathis?
Making comments.
It's not connecting the audio. Yes. Dominiquez, Gilmer.
Let's take it down. You can ask.
Oh, boy. Say, give me a phone number, call, man. Are we ready, Ms. Robinson?
No, Your Honor. Could you kindly tell me what day those tickets were issued?
Well, he's got some documentation on some certificate of liability insurance here.
Yeah, the offer is two infractions, which would be 0 points, but he's thinking of still going to trial. So I'm just trying to see what day he got those improper license tickets to see if we have a defense to begin with.
Well, he's got a lot of tickets here. He's got some show causes. He's gonna have to come back anyway on some other stuff. Unless you can wrap all this up. What improper license are we talking about?
We're talking about the SP 1364501. You know what? Scratch that. That's with Officer Holdwick. He's not here. The one with Officer Hill, SP 141.
Sorry to interrupt. I think Officer Holdwick is here. I see him in
Yes,
the
I'm
Zoom
here.
room. I just haven't been in the room with him yet.
Okay, let's scratch that. It's SP 1364501 and SP 141.
Let me see that one. 9/7/2022.
5/7/2022. Thank you.
And then what's the other one?
SP 1413501.
12/10/2022 was the issue day.
All right, I'm gonna work with this. I'll be right back. Thank you.
Very well.
Oh.
That may be the person's home.
Judge, for this one, I'm scheduled for today. Talk on that. Some audio. 436-2866. Just just down in the follow prompts.
Okay.
Excuse me. He would like to resolve. Is there any way his other matters could be put together for today?
Yeah, talk to the prosecutor. He can, I don't mind doing that.
All right, can we, do we already have a recitation of those matters, or do we have a list of what those are?
What I do is I just go, I'll do, what I do. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the docket today. You want to know the ones that aren't on the docket? They're coming up December 3rd. Let me go through it and see. So he has a driver while licensed, suspended repeat offender, a no insurance misdemeanor, an unregistered untitled, all in one stop that they're not on the docket today. He has another, I guess this came out of the, well, I won't say that. Yeah, this one I guess came out, that's a driver license suspended, repeat offender, no insurance misdemeanor, and unregistered untitled. He's got those 3. Then he's got an improper plate and a failure to stop at a stop sign. He's got a failure to signal at a stop. He's got a disorderly conduct. He's got a littering ticket.
Okay.
All right, who's on the phone? 313-348-9825. You guys, Attorney Robinson and Counselor Ringer, go back in the breakout room and see if you can come to a resolution.
Okay.
313-348-9825. Who's that?
Gilmar José Era Domínguez.
Yeah, necesito interpreter.
Sí, español.
Can you come back on Wednesday?
I'm sorry, when was that?
Can he come back on Wednesday? We have an interpreter on Wednesdays.
Is it okay if I interpret it for him?
No. We have to have a court.
Yeah, he can come in on Wednesday.
We have to have a court-appointed interpreter. We've been trying to get him to connect the audio all morning.
Okay, yeah, well, he can come in on Wednesday.
Come back Wednesday morning, okay?
At 8?
At 8:30. Come back early. Get in here at 8. Be the first one in here. Join at 8:15.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too, bye-bye.
Where's
Spell?
yeah, I printed it out.
Okay, what's his last name?
Yeah, Gilmer. I'll print it out.
Oh, sure. Excuse me.
May I speak to Devin Lee?
You have co-host capabilities, but I'll put you in there.
Oh, I do?
I did.
Oh, I do, yeah.
Join the breakout room, he's waiting.
So we almost done, Judge?
Yeah, we can get Mr. Lee out of here.
We got a busy day Wednesday.
That we do. Nice. Can we get 2 interpreters already?
Oh, yes, I thought about that. Thank you. Yeah. Right now. So, yeah. Sometimes when you like that, be happy, you know what I'm saying? They be-
We need to start having two interpreters anyway.
My mom passed away when he was young. 3 years old. And
Still trying to hold on.
in the night, when I was a kid, I didn't vote nobody else but hers. She had cancer. She died from about 7 years ago.
She did it probably the right.
Yeah, she did.
We're back, or I'm back. There's an offer. Let me tell the prosecutor what I'm doing. I'll be right back. Excuse me.
What's up? Huh?
Evening.
No, I'm staying.
You change the spot. I give you a
You're not muted, Mr. Lee.
lot of space.
The years almost up. On Friday and working on the weekend. Oh.
Ready?
Ready.
City of Detroit versus Devin Lee, case numbers SP 1364501, SP 1383453, counts 1, SP 1413503, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1478768, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1478813, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1485162, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1486110, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1486661, SP 148666701. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Luke Geringer, P 85677, appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit.
And good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Devin Lee. Sir, state your name.
Devin Lee.
Today is the date and time set for a, let's do the show cause. Let's do the show cause on cases that were set for 12/3. Ms. Robinson.
Yes, we'd waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute on those matters.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Now let's for the trials of Officer Williams and Officer Holwick. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Holwick.
Officer Holwick, what department and badge number?
Detroit Police Department, 2nd Precinct, badge 2040.
Officer Hill.
Police Officer William Hill, badge 3756, Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you both. Okay, what's the deal gonna be?
The offer is 2 counts of limited access, 1 to 5, 1 blockading. I guess the unsafe manner, driving the unsafe manner, which is on today's docket, would be amended to limited access 1 to 5. The blockading traffic would just be on its face. There's, as to the December hearings, the disorderly conduct would be taken under advisement. And there's another limited access 1 to 5. I apologize. I don't know which matter that's amended from.
Well, let's do it. You have a failure to stop here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge.
Limited access 1 to 5. So that's, she really set you up here. So that's 2 limited access, 1 to 5, $125 a piece, 0 points. They do abstract. 1, just pleading to the blocking traffic as charged, 175, no points. And the disorderly conduct as charged, dismiss upon payment this one time, $240. One-time deal for the disorderly conduct.
Judge, they had, so my original offer on the disorderly was a 12-month delayed sentence. If the court saw fit to impose a different period of time on that advisement, I wouldn't have any objection to that. But that was my initial offer, given the fact that a number of these charges are
I generally dismiss upon payment on that, but
very well.
If you want to, I just don't like supervising these. I keep it a mental note in my head. Where is the disorderly conduct ticket? Let's see what the allegations suggest. And he's been down here before, haven't you, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
In front of me before on some other cases, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he keeps coming back. I'll do the 12-month delay. All right. I'll do the 12-month delay. Okay. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
You put your hand down. Did you read it as advice or rights, Miss Robinson?
I reviewed his trial rights with him, Your Honor, yes.
Mr. Lee, you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine, and for this disorderly conduct misdemeanors, 90 days in jail and or $500 in fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up those trial rights?
Yes.
Miss Robinson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
And you know you're going to give up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now let me draw your attention back to August the 4th, 2023 at around 3:49 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Faust and Tyerman. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that date, what happened? I don't have a ticket here in front of me because this was it wasn't on the docket for the day. What happened on that day?
I pulled up I pulled up 2 houses from my house and was talking to my neighbor, and the police pulled up behind me.
That's not all that happened.
They pulled. I keep having these same run-ins with the same police. If you look at the tickets, they didn't wrote me 20 tickets. The
Okay,
same
I'm
cop.
not, so, now, did that cause you to get upset out there?
Yes.
And does that cause you to get in some way loud, or what happened on this incident? I'm not talking about the 20 other incidents. What happened on this incident where you get a ticket for disorderly conduct?
They wrote me the tickets. They put me in handcuffs and they wrote me the tickets, Judge.
So what did you do? What did you do? I have to get a factual basis to find you guilty for this.
I cussed them out. I cussed them out.
So were you loud out there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I was.
And will you agree that you disturbed the good nature and peace of the community?
Yes.
All right. I'll find you guilty for that. Disorderly conduct. Now, let me ask you this. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
All right. Stipulate to the faces of the tickets of the responsible pleas for the accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas, Counselor.
We'll stipulate, Judge.
All right, I'm going to find him responsible. I'll find him guilty as charged with disorderly conduct. We'll do the 12-month delay. I'll put it on a 3-month review. Pay $240 fine. And come back in 3 months, and we'll see where it goes further from there. I'm going to find him responsible based on the stipulation to the responsible pleas. For the failure to stop, I'll amend it to limited access 1 to 5, $125. For the unsafe manner, limited access 1 to 5, $125. And pay the blockade and traffic straight up. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters and I'll waive the warrant fee.
We'll stipulate.
All right, other matters are going to be dismissed per the plea. I'll waive the warrant fee. And when can you, well, let's see, review. I said 3 months. Come back on February 6, 2024 at 8:25. Make sure it's paid by then, all right? 240 and the other stuff.
Yes, sir.
Any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. I just arguing with the police is never, it's mad, no matter how much you think that they're wrong and you're right, it's never going to get you in a position that's going to be beneficial to you. That's just all it is to it. You know, I mean, there's other ways to go about those things other than arguing with them.
Yeah, I understand now. I didn't know about internal affairs and going and placing the case on them. So I understand now. So I know how to do it.
All right, that's your recourse if you feel you've been wrong. Because other than that, you end up in front of me explaining the fact that you lost it because of this. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I'll see you back on February 6, 2024 at 8:25.
So the December 5th court date, all of this is taken care of, so I don't.
Everything is taken care of in this thing. Your lawyer did a very good job, I think, of wrapping all this stuff up, and sounds like you got a pretty favorable deal as well.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
All right, that'll conclude it. Officers Holdwick and Hill, have a very good day. Be safe out there.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, officers.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ms. Robinson.
Yeah, thanks, Ms. Robinson. Take care.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna